Hey guys, welcome to another episode of This or That. We got Brad. I forgot to say my name. I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube. You guys asked us a whole bunch of questions. Keaton went through, pulled them out. Now we're gonna answer them.
Paint over or remove badges or keep everything as stock?
Wait, you just said two different things.
Yeah, painting
Paint
over
the
badges
slash remove them?
No.
How does that work?
Don't paint over the badges. If you want to remove them, that's fine. Don't paint over the badges.
You remove badges, paint, and
Yeah.
then reapply.
Really? Well, what? I think they're saying like, would you rather debadge a truck or have color matched logos?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll probably pull the badges off. I don't mind actually how badges look.
I like
though,
color
but-
matching trim pieces,
Yes,
but
yeah.
not you don't color match a badge really, I guess, unless it's a crucial badge. Maybe
But
if it
like,
was
I
a
guess
bow
if you had a Chevy bow tie on the front and it has like the chrome trim around it, but the bow tie is gold or something, you can make it black.
Yeah.
That I'm okay with. But like, I'm picturing like the Duramax badge
Yeah.
on the side. You can't just like spray that body color and call it a day. That would look kind of bleh.
Mid-size diesel or full-size gasser?
Mid-size diesel. No,
Well, what is
I'm guessing he's what's
a
it,
mid-size?
like
So like a Tacoma, but a diesel?
yeah, or like a New Colorado Duramax.
Oh.
I'm guessing is what he's talking about, or a
Or
full-size
full-size
gasser. I'd rather have a 3/4 ton gasser probably, because I already got one.
Is that a full size, or is that not a full size? Because it's more than a full size. Like,
That's
are we talking
full size.
1,500, 2,500?
In the normal world, a full size refers to like a half ton to 1 ton. is a full
Well,
size.
that's a lot of variation. I too though would pick a gas full size truck. I think it's bigger. There's more space. You can do more stuff. You can haul more stuff.
Yeah. It's better. Bigger's better, dude.
We just sent Rainey to Texas to find out if that was true, and he said it is.
Yeah. The Toyota Priuses are bigger there.
I don't think that's true.
He said that.
Really?
Yeah.
Expensive Jeep build or cheap truck build?
I guess I'd rather have an expensive Jeep build than a cheap truck build. I always try to use the best quality when I can, but sometimes my budget doesn't allow for that.
I'd rather have a cheap truck because I don't like Jeeps.
That's bold. I don't mind the new Jeeps. I guess it really depends on the year and the make and model of the Jeep, because there are a lot of different Jeeps.
I'd rather do like a cheap solid axle truck build than a fancy Jeep build.
That I can see.
Right?
That I can
Right?
see.
That's what
I
I'm
don't know.
saying.
I'd have a fancy Jeep. I'd throw the Black Diamond kit on there with all the fancy kings and everything, and
I think he's talking. Well, I'm thinking higher than that. I'm thinking like a SEMA Jeep build versus like.
oh no, I wouldn't.
That's what that's how I interpreted
Like
it.
you're thinking like a street Jeep build, or what do you? Because I would do like an expensive off-road Jeep build.
Okay, I wasn't thinking that. When he
That's-
said it, I just thought
That's the
SEMA
beauty
build.
of this or that, Brad.
It's how we interpret things.
Yeah,
Keaton, you awake?
it's not what you know, it's who you know.
Yep. It's not who you know, it's how you know them.
That's so true.
What is your current dream build?
An Escalade. That's my dream build.
You have an Escalade that's being built.
But it'll be
not
done in
done.
my dreams.
Yeah.
So that's my dream build.
Remember when you said you were gonna work on my car after you finished the Escalade, and that was like over a year ago?
But I finished your car.
Yeah. So what's up with the Escalade?
Do you want to take your car back?
No. Well, maybe you want to buy it.
No.
I really don't know what my dream truck build would be.
Who said truck?
Didn't he say truck? Did he say vehicle? I don't
I
know.
thought you said dream build.
I want
truck.
a Raptor.
Oh.
I always have wanted a Raptor.
Would you rather have? Well, wait. Let me guess. Your dream is probably a 5.4 Raptor,
No.
first gen
No,
Raptor.
no,
huh?
no. No,
Yeah.
I think I would actually take the second gen and I would leave the twin turbo V6 in there, even though people would hate me for it. But I want one of those with enough lift to get on some 37s, but I also want upgraded turbos to make some more power. I want to go fast. That's all I ever want to do in life.
What are you picking?
His Escalade.
stock Escalade?
No.
A rock crawler Escalade, dude.
Oh, are you gonna put a sticker on it that says Rock Crawler?
Yeah. You're gonna get a sticker that says that.
which exotic car company should build trucks?
Well, Lamborghini already tried that, and they're terrible. So probably none of them. I don't know. Like Mercedes builds some cool trucks,
Mercedes is not an exotic
but
car.
they can be. Some of their cars are.
SLS AMG.
Yeah, like a G-Wagon.
That's not an exotic.
Yeah, they get the exotic price
Mercedes-Benz.
tag. That's for sure.
I'm thinking Lamborghini.
They already
Ferrari.
had an SUV. Sucked.
Yeah,
They have a new
the,
SUV.
the
It's a
old
Por-
one. The new one is lame too because it's just a Audi Q7 or something.
Yeah, no, or a Porsche.
Whatever.
Cayenne.
Cayenne. Yeah, Cayenne.
Porsche Cayenne.
I would like to see McLaren do something because McLaren builds awesome cars that are not nearly as expensive as some of the other supercars on the market. I don't know, and they're unique, and they don't have a truck right now. But then you got like Bentley out there with the Bentayga, and Rolls-Royce has their SUV, but none of them are off-roady. So it'd be sweet if one of these manufacturers slaps a freaking 6.5 liter V12 into a truck.
Wow.
And
Like a pickup truck or like an SUV?
who cares? Whatever
Either.
they want to do.
You know Mercedes has a pickup truck in Europe? Did you know
Oh yes,
It's like a
I did
Nissan or
know
something.
that. Yeah.
that? Sorry, it's someone else's truck really, but
McLaren, final
Okay,
answer.
Porsche says McLaren. I said they already tried it and it didn't.
McLaren
didn't go
didn't try
very
it.
well.
Lamborghini tried it.
Lamborghini tried it. Didn't go very well.
Those trucks are worth a lot though, now. And then now they have the Urus.
Yeah. I don't have an answer. I don't want any exotic making a truck. Thank you.
Why?
Because I don't like exotics.
Why?
He's too cool.
They're unobtainable.
Explain that.
They're unobtainable to me.
You guys need to buy more lift kits at customautosis.com/lifts. Tell them Brad sent you.
So I cannot buy an exotic truck. I'd rather have like.
I'd rather have a Tesla Cybertruck. I'm waiting for that one.
No,
I
I
know you
don't.
wouldn't say it, but somebody's going to.
Yeah, dude. There we go. Tesla. Are they an exotic?
I don't know. They're just fast and battery powered and different. So
Okay. How about? I want Bugatti to make a truck.
Bugatti makes airplanes.
They used to.
Yeah.
Bonus question. Would you rather take a guaranteed $1 million or have a 50-50 shot at $100 million?
Do I know the person who's the other 50-50? Is it Brad and me going
Yeah.
in at 100 million?
No,
That's a good question.
You get 100 million or you don't.
Well, but if I knew the person who, the other, because it's 50-50,
I see what he said.
No
you
one
know,
else wins.
if it's just me and Brad,
No, it's only you have. You gotta pretend that only you have this opportunity. Ooh, that's a good question.
Give me $1 million then. I'm not going to take the risk. I'm going to play it safe this round. And then I'm going to buy an exotic pickup truck.
I'm gonna go
and-
with the 50-50 chance.
Really?
Yeah. What have I got to lose?
I kind of see that point too, because if you don't win, you're like, I just keep living my life like
no
I have
worse
been.
for wear.
But if you do win, then you have 50 million, and then you wouldn't have to,
Then you can be a boss.
you wouldn't have to
Then I
pay
can
for
buy
your
an
friendship
exotic-
now.
an exotic,
People would just be your
truck.
friend.
I could buy a Bugatti
You
truck.
could
then.
build your own exotic truck.
I'd buy a Bugatti and crash it.
Start your own exotic truck company that sells exotic wheels and exotic tires.
I'll just make one truck that's actually a total piece of junk and charge exotic pricing, and I'll be like, it's an exotic truck.
Oh, so Ferrari. All right, guys, that's
Lambert-
another. What are you doing? Talk when I'm
I
trying
had
to
another
talk.
question.
Also, why are you turned that way? What are you doing?
It's like a headshot for
Are you
school.
getting ready to leave?
No, it's like a mug shot.
Like at school, remember you had to take your picture? They'd like turn you sideways. They'd be like,
Brad, you gotta
They'd
lean
be
back
like,
so we
"Okay."
look tough. Lean
They'd be
back
like-
and cross your arms so we look tough. All right, guys, that's another episode. Peace.
get the out of here.
Take this, shove it up your.
That's good. I'm gonna use it.
No, you can't.
Why?
All right, guys, that's another episode of This or That. Thanks for watching. If you want to check out Wheels, Tire, Suspension, we got all that at customautosis.com. I think that's it. We're out of here. Peace.
Would you rather have a Lamborghini or a sport bike? An old.
An old sport
Suzuki.
bike that doesn't run.
Yeah.